A number of software and product-related announcements were made at the just-finished Google I/O 2023, including the launch of Labs, a dedicated platform that will work on new AI technologies before they are included into services like Search or Workspace. The world's most popular search engine will soon have under development AI features, which users may test out in Search Labs. It wasn't immediately clear who would have access to the brand new Search Labs experiences, but today, US testers can access Google's generative AI. Prior to the restricted launch, the business demonstrated 3 uses for its new search generative experience. In the first, Google provided AI-powered snapshots of complex issues along with the opportunity to dive deeper for more information, which was accompanied by links to pertinent articles. It also demonstrated how to directly respond to a question with information tailored to your location. The final illustration combined e-commerce with generative AI by replying to questions about products with a table that included specifications and user ratings.